These are some of the older statistics of mine. I'll tell you the new ones. More than 140 crores generated for my clients, more than 35,000 coaches trained, and more than 800 plus live workshops done, and more than 6 years of experience. Now, in this video, what I'm going to show you is how do you plan your funnel that guarantees you on how you can scale beyond multiple crores in the fastest time possible. I'm going to talk about AOV, that's average order value, lifetime value, the mathematics behind the funnel, the CPA, the CTRs, the CPMs, and a lot more cool stuff, because these are the funnel maths that you require in order to scale to bigger numbers. Hopefully you know how these mathematics works, and if you really want to scale, you someday come and work with us. All right, so go enjoy the rest of the video. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
If you miss one thing, it's gone. Okay, this maths is very important before you run any funnel, before you do any funnel. I'm not wanting you guys just to be a consumer. How many just want to be a consumer? Raise your hands. And no, like, that's fine. That's completely up to you. If you want to be a consumer, just be in the game, stay for some time and maybe leave. That's up to you. Right? How many of you guys are here to like rule the game and become their category kings or queens? Yes, by raise of your hands. Perfect. That's up to you, right? But it's important for you to learn the mathematics of the funnel. You need to learn terms that are very, very important. You need to learn terms like CPA, CPL, CTR, CPMs, AOV, OBC2, LPV. There are lots and lots and lots of terms that you need to learn and master. Mastery is what will get you to that level. Right? So imagine me putting you on a car and you don't know how to drive a car. You'll automatically go and have an accident. Yes or no? It's the same way. Okay? Awesome. So the first concept you're going to learn is called AOV. It's called as what? Guys, I need full energy, all right? Okay, it's called what? AOV. All right, good. Maintain that, okay? What is AOV? It's called average order value. Average cart value. What does this mean? Total, please write this down. Total revenue divided by total customers. TR divided by TC. Now, here's the equation. If you want to win in this game, okay? Because cost per acquisition on Facebook will always go higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. It will never go down. Never. Like compare your last year's Facebook ads cost versus this year. Now Diwali is coming. Good luck. Good luck on your ads costs. Now it'll only go up, 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 and up. Okay? So either you can shut your ads down and have no lead flow, no sales flow, nothing. All right? Or you can learn the art of AOV. What is AOV? It's TR divided by TC. What is it? Total revenue divided by total customers. Now, simple maths, okay? Our revenue was 1 lakh. We had 100 customers. What's the average order value? Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. Perfect. Give yourself right now, because as I go deeper and deeper, it will be more harder for you to give a clap. All right. Your average order value is? Okay. Now what if your ads cost is 1200? You're negative 200, right? How will you sustain that? Okay, next year it becomes 1500. How will you sustain that? Okay, next year it will go 2000. How will you sustain that? How many of you guys have seen coaches come and disappear out of the market by raise of your hands? Do you want to be one of them? Yes or no? Then master this concept. Why? Because ads costs go up, they go down. They can't sustain. That's why most coaches are unable to scale. Right now as we speak, not a lot of people are able to scale because their cost per acquisitions are up. And the average order value is down. So how would they sustain? They're losing money. Why to lose money, right? Perfect. Now, next equation, very, 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 very important. To win in this game, your average order value should always be higher than your CPA. Your average order value should be higher and your CPA should be lower. Now you need to find ways to not decrease your cost per acquisition. You need to find ways to increase your average order value. Does that make sense, everybody? Because after a certain point, you can't optimize on your ad spend. Right? So let's say when you get trained by me, I am not going to sit you and teach you like, oh, bhai, isko kam kar do, aadha kar do. Maybe till the max extent. But once you reach that hit point, what next? I want to teach you how to have infinite amount of average order value. So you can afford any amount of ad spend and you can kick anybody out of the industry. So the rule in business is have higher LTVs. Another word. What is LTV? Everybody write this down. It's called lifetime value. What's the lifetime value of one of your customers, one of your clients? What's the lifetime value of one of your clients? How do you divide this? Total revenue divided by unique customers acquired. You can't clap? Okay. Lifetime value means how much is one customer worth to me over their entire life. Example, if there is this person in front of me, if in this person's entire life, if this person is worth 5 lakhs to me, that means I can spend up to 4 lakhs to acquire this person and still be profitable on the long term. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Okay. Now, since I said ki CPA ghatane ke, there are a lot of ways. There are a lot of ways to reduce your CPA, right? Lot of ways. I'll teach you a lot of ways. Hot buttons is one of them. OBCs to LPV is one of them. Creating more pre-frames is one of them. Doubling down on your ads is one of them. There's a secret called 24:1 ad system. You got to do that. Like you turn one ad into 24 ads and you shoot 2,000 ads. So you multiply 2,000 by 24. You have infinite ads rolling out. Right? So there are multiple ways to reduce your CPA, but there's always a limit. After that, you can only work on average order value. Now, how do you increase average order value? That's the question. The game. It's called the last man standing strategy. Right? Whoever is sticking till the end will naturally win the game. You just have to sit for longer time enough. That's it. Okay? It's called the last man standing. Abhi, everybody is in fear right now. Bhai sahab. Okay? How many is in fear right now? What to do? I'm telling you, you put your funnels in such a way, doesn't matter. Now think about it. You might be like, it's this much, right? If you get your average order value to 1600, okay? And your cost per acquisition is 1400. You're making 200 rupees per customer. 200 rupees per? If you get 1,000 customers a day, 2 lakhs a day profit. 60 lakhs a month profit.
This is just with the
Yes.
basically the leads are free. They are paying.
Now I also have the list with me. Now with the list I can do anything now. Because that's the traffic that I own. You see in stock markets, how many of you guys have even one single rupee invested in stock market by raise of your hands? The whole room, yes? Okay. Almost 80% of the room. How much percent do you get every year, guys? 15%? 12 to 15%, yes or no? Okay. So that means your money is doubling in how many years? 6 years. Yes or no? So in stock markets, you're okay to wait for 6 years to double your money. And here you want tomorrow. Right? So the idea and strategy over here is, so all you need is right mathematics. Of course, this won't be the scenario. Let's say your lifetime value per client becomes, I don't know, 50,000 bucks. Are you okay spending 5,000 to get that customer, knowing that you'll make 10x of that in their entire lifetime? You'll still be wealthy as fuck. Okay? 45,000 per customer, you multiply, even if you get 1,000 customers, that's 45 crores. You put 45 crores in the market, you get 15% annual returns every year. You know what that number is? It's 7 crores a year. It's 65 lakhs a month. Show me how you can spend 65 lakhs per month. You guys don't understand money maths.
Alright, I hope you loved and enjoyed the video. Now, if you stick till the end, I told you I have an amazing surprise for you. So I will leave the links to the entire funnel mathematics spreadsheet in the comments below. Make sure you go check that out, have a lot of fun. Map your economics before you go launch your funnel or decide to scale your funnel. Now, second thing, very, very important, go ahead and leave your top 2 takeaways from this entire video. Right now, what will happen because of this is when you write it down, you'll always remember it, right? And I'll of course read all of them, and the best one will give a lot of giveaways and a lot of cool stuff as well. Third thing, share it right away from any communities that you are a part of or any friends that you have who you think will benefit a lot, because you could be that person who, you know, gives these kind of information to other people and help them out as well. One change and they'll thank you forever. All right, perfect. Enjoy this video, subscribe, because we are bringing a huge revolution to this entire marketing space, marketing industry. You're gonna have a lot of fun, lot more in-depth advanced videos coming in. Let me also know in the comments what kind of videos would you like more as well, so we can go shoot more of these things as well and bring it on to you, all of you. Take care, see you on the other side.